Inferiority complex causes, symptoms, and effects. At GoHealthGenic, we understand how tough it can be to deal with an inferiority complex. After all, feeling like you are lesser than others can be a difficult and overwhelming experience. To help you better understand and manage an inferiority complex, we've put together a comprehensive guide to help you gain insight and access to resources so you can take the necessary steps to overcome it. An inferiority complex is a psychological phenomenon that can lead to feelings of inadequacy and insecurity. People with an inferiority complex may feel that they are less capable or less worthy than other people, which can lead to feelings of depression and anxiety. Signs and symptoms of an inferiority complex: low self-esteem, feeling inferior to others, feeling inadequate or inferior, avoiding social situations, feeling insecure, anxiety, depression, seeking approval from others, fear of failure, lack of confidence, difficulty making decisions, avoiding taking risks, feeling like you don't belong, comparing yourself to others, difficulty speaking up or expressing yourself. How to overcome an inferiority complex? If you are struggling with an inferiority complex, there are several steps you can take to start overcoming it. First, it's important to recognize the signs and symptoms of an inferiority complex and to identify the underlying cause. This can help you understand why you feel the way you do and can help you focus on the areas that need attention. Third, it's important to work on building your confidence by setting achievable goals and celebrating your successes. Finally, it's important to practice self-awareness and to know when to seek professional help if needed. At GoHealthGenic, we understand how difficult it can be to manage an inferiority complex. If you'd like to speak with a professional about managing your inferiority complex, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you take the steps necessary to gain the confidence and self-assurance you need to thrive. Why do inferiority complexes develop? It's likely that you didn't suddenly develop feelings of inadequacy if you are constantly worried about living up to expectations or if you decline invitations to avoid socializing with people you think are superior to you. The result of one or several factors, some of which may have evolved over time, is most likely an inferiority complex. These typical reasons for inferiority complexes are listed below. Although feelings of inadequacy often persist into adulthood, these symptoms may originate from traumatic experiences that occurred when the person was much younger. Children who are raised in an environment where adults, particularly those who cater to their every need, are present run the risk of developing a sense of helplessness and dependence on adult supervision. Similar to how children raised in a cruel environment, which frequently causes them to doubt their value, tend to develop timidity and uncertainty about their worth in the eyes of others. When someone in their friend group is the least financially successful or frequently needs help from friends and family, it can have a negative effect on how much they value themselves. In addition to these difficulties, an inferiority complex may appear in adulthood as a result of events like difficulty landing a job, social setbacks like having trouble finding a spouse, or public humiliation that causes debilitating feelings of insufficiency. Having an inferiority complex can have negative effects. For the reasons listed below, it's detrimental to live with an inferiority complex. When you have an inferiority complex, it can be difficult to deal with the consequences of interactions with people you've put on a pedestal. Similar to how it's common for someone who struggles with feelings of inadequacy to start drinking heavily to get through the day. Your mental health and general well-being can be seriously affected if you don't feel capable or strong enough to engage